Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to adjust Discord volume. So basically you could go here, and so you need the updated Windows 11. So you just need to click here on the tray and click on this button right here, select a sound output. Just scroll down. As you can see, the Discord option is here, so you could like manually lessen the sound on Discord without adjusting the other app's volume, just like so. And here on the general, you want to go there, or like, let's say, join a voice channel. So let me just let my other Discord account join this too, so that I could show you guys. There, as you can see, guys, just let me just this there. You could now like edit the user volume right here for that particular user. And also lastly is go to the user settings, go to voice and video, and you could adjust your input volume, which is the sound that comes from your mic, and output volume, which is the sound that goes to you. And that's it, guys. It's that easy. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe, because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.